Yeah. Last last class we have seen how to use the while loop uh, in the file. Okay, in the file handling, how to use the while loop. Okay, that was our topic. We have seen this program also. Okay, let me go to the next one. Okay, how to use for loop. Today's concept is reading a line using the for loop. Okay, can anyone explain this program? Or Dharni, can you explain? Can you hear it? Hello? Okay. Darshan is a very nice boy. Now, Darshan, can you explain? This time we won't be quiet. Why?
My file equal to
Very good.
sir open data.txt sir.
Very good. What is my
String
file?
sir.
What is my file, pa?
Sir my file variable.
Variable. Is it variable?
So value sir value.
Value. Oh my god. What is my file
Sir,
name?
it is identifier, sir.
God again. It is a file object. It is a file object, no? My file is a file object in order to access the file. Correct, no? Correct, Darshan?
Yes sir.
Very good. Then proceed it. Yeah. Continue, pa.
Sir string sir. We have to for string in my file sir.
Okay. What is str?
String.
Stinger. It's a variable, isn't it?
Yes sir.
Okay. And we are opening the file in which mode? We open the file in which mode?
Data.txt.
I'm asking in which mode. Okay. Which file we open means data.txt. Okay. File name. Which mode we open the file? Many modes are there. No, three type of modes are there. No. Can you say what are the three type of modes? First is R means what? Here we mention the mode. No. What is R? R means read mode. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay. So we are open the file in read mode. Then for loop we are using for str in my file. That means what is my file? What is my file? Darshan?
My file.
File.
File. Then
Sorry, file mark, sir. Sorry.
file mark. I don't know, my dear student. I don't know how you are learning. Please learn properly. My file is a file object. Just now, before we said no. My file is a file object for data.txt. Okay. So we are opening the object. Through the object we are accessing the file. What file? Data.txt. Okay. In which mode we are opening? Read mode. Okay. So first what will happen for str in my file? Then what will happen? The data will be accessed from the file and we are asking to print it. Okay. So the data will be accessed and it will be get printed. The entire line will be entire content will be get printed. Okay. This is the concept. Okay. Good, Darshan. Good. You try it. Okay. Good. Let me go to the next program. Then okay. Now yes, please.
Program.
Yes, Harith, you come to
The above program.
I didn't get it.
In STR, no sir, that program.
Yes, yes.
While executing first time, the STR will store
Yes. Yeah, of course.
with its character. It will store India or I. What it will store, sir?
We
First
didn't
time of execution of loop.
correct. It will if we didn't mention means read character only it will read. For example, I only it will store. For example, it will print. Okay, but loop will execute continuously till the last character. For example, till the end of the character, the loop will execute continuously, then it will print. Have you for that only we given end equal to we didn't give this it want to come in the continuous line.
In case I am giving while STR equal to M break, like that I given means it will stop till India is, sir.
For example, inside the loop, if you are using break means.
While str equal to m.
Okay, yeah. For example, it will stop to read because we break the once we use the break statement means the loop will stop. Correct? No, the loop will stop to execute. Then it will execute it. Then rest of the content, if it is another content is there, means that content will be. I mean that statement will be started to execute. Yes, Ashwant, you raised your hand for some purpose.
Sir, some beep sound is coming, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know. I didn't hear. I think. Okay. Let me check it. Okay. Okay, Harit, you got it, no?
It will
Okay.
print till India space is space like that till it will that it will print as.
Not space. As it is in the file, stored in the file. Yeah, of course. India space is space likewise. The content will be stored. It will be get printed.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Let me come to the next one. 1 minute. Okay. Can anyone explain this program? Can anybody willing? Rajit, can you do? Ranjit?
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes, please. You explain this program. Pa. This program is
Sir,
to calculating the size of the file as well as what is the calculating the size of the file with EOL. EOL means I already said end of line. Okay. And without
yes, sir.
EOL. Yes, please. Proceed. Pa.
Okay, sir. First,
Hmm.
that my file, we have to enter it common only, sir.
Yeah.
That
What
okay, sir.
Here?
That file product, you say that now only, no, sir.
What?
We 1 minute, sir. That my
File,
file is common, no, sir.
file handle.
Yes, sir. File handle, sir. We have when you have to open that
Hmm.
and the data text we enter, no, sir. The data text is a string, sir, but we have to say that data text is a string to that Python, sir. So we enter it as string 1, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
I didn't get it.
one
For
minute, sir.
example, yeah, please refer this.
That we put data text in that open, no, sir.
What is data.txt? TXT is what?
That is a string, sir.
This is string.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sorry, sir. It is the identifier, sir.
Identifier.
We
Very nice, man. What is this?
sorry, sir. Confused. 1 minute, sir.
You are searching something else.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. ஞாபகத்துல வர மாட்டேங்குது. Sorry, sir. String ஆக மாட்டேங்குது, sir.
Okay. Data.txt is a file name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Data.txt open in the open. That's what is the coming. What I am coming to tell. For example, we should remember the syntax. Okay. What is the syntax of open function? Open of file name comma mode. Correct? No. So this data.txt is a file. We should mention in double quotes. Whatever we mention in the double quotes is not all string. Okay. It is a file name. Yes. Proceed, Ranjit. Next one is R. What is R?
R is that 1 minute, sir. Sorry, sir. R only string, sir. Sorry.
R only string. Okay, now it's a new information. What is R, man?
Oh my god. Sorry, sir. That is the EOL.
UOL.
Sir, sorry, sir. 1 minute, sir. Oh
Okay.
my god.
Okay, let I will explain this. R is a read mode. Okay. We are opening
Okay,
the file in read mode. Let you say that better I will ask somebody else. What about Pritika? Can you do it? Can you explain this? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah, please. No, you said no.
No. Yes, sir.
Okay, Ramya, what about you? Ramya, yes. He very hesitating to tell. Ashwant, will you explain this? Ashwant, why all are be silent? Very much wondering.
Sir, for me only beeping is hearing. Nothing is hearing.
I didn't hear. I think the rest of the students also I didn't. Nobody said. You only saying. I think. Please check it.
A little bit beep sound is coming.
Beep sound is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now also. Is it now
No,
also?
sir. Now,
Now it is okay.
no, sir.
Okay. Ashwant, is it okay for you? Whether he's there or left, I don't know. Okay, Harith, will you explain? Yeah, explain it. I hope you will explain. Can you
First,
explain?
you are opening the file dot data.txt, sir.
Fine.
Data file. Then
Okay.
in read file opening,
Okay, fine.
assuming str equal to an empty space.
Okay.
Initializing size 0, t size 0.
Okay, that is variable. Okay. Good.
While str equal to while loop,
Hmm.
we are reading the str equal to my file dot read line.
Okay.
T size equal to t size plus len of str. It
So
will
first statement, read line, we read the first line from India to Vary Heritage, isn't it? That is stored in str1. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
While using str, it will calculate each and every characters including spaces.
Okay, good.
While and stored in t size.
Okay, t size equal to t size plus len of str1. So str1, all the character will be stored plus t size. Already t size will be 0, 0 plus len of the first line will be added. That is stored in t size. Okay, good. Next, size equal to
While going size is equal to size plus len of str into strip. Strip will remove all
strip
spaces.
only. Yes.
It will remove spaces and the last word.
Strip function will remove the spaces, white spaces from the both the end, leading as well as trailing. Okay.
Then size is equal to 0,
Okay.
and that size will contain the number of characters without space.
Okay, so the empty line slash n and all, it will be avoided. That strip function will remove all the white spaces, then size will be added. Okay, then again,
Then
next time while loop.
printing total size is equal to
Yes.
number of characters.
Okay.
Then size after removing all EOL and blank lines is size, sir.
Okay.
Then we are closing the file.
Mm-hmm. Likewise, first time the loop will execute it. Second time, second line will be read, isn't it?
Sir, str will store the values. Still the line is ending.
Okay.
The
Likewise,
cursor is going till the t, it will execute, sir.
okay. So till the respect t, last line, whenever it is reach out of
Yes,
the
sir.
line, the while loop
After
executes.
going to t, it will become nothing will be stored in str, so while loop will be terminated.
Okay. Then afterwards, yeah.
After
Hmm.
statement will execute, sir.
Now print statement, it's printing the t size as well as next line size, isn't it?
Finally closing the file.
Yeah, fine. What about rest of the students? Did you understood? Have you understood this program?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So the loop will execute till the last line. Each time the one line will be stored in the str1 and collecting. First we are calculating the len of str1 with the space. Okay, with the stripe function. Second, you can see size variable storing the without space, without the empty space. It will remove all the white spaces. Okay, leading as well as trailing. That is starting line and the end of the character. Any white space is there means it will remove. Which one? Strip function. Okay, so that's what we are using the strip function in this program. You can see the pointer. Very good. I really appreciate Harith for a wonderful explanation. Good. Okay, let me go to this next one. You can see this output. Likewise, first total size is 191 character. Totally, this file contain 191 character. Then you can see size after removing all EOL and blank spaces. We didn't give blank space, but we are giving a EOL, that is end of line. Okay, so 188, they removed 3 white spaces. For example, first slash n and second slash n and third one because the loop is executed now. That's what the third time while it's execute, it contains the third statement or third line. Okay, so 3/n, that is a new line will be removed. So finally 188 it's showing. Okay, the output is, you can see, sorry, you can see this output. Total size is 191 characters are there, including the in between white spaces is there. No, that is calculatable. Okay, that we cannot omit it with the each character.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Okay, let me continue this session. Others may please join it. Okay. You can see the next another one example program. In this program, my file is a file object. Okay, using the file object, we are opening the file name data.txt in read mode. Okay, contents is a variable. Okay, what is the use of this variable means I will explain. Contents equal to my file dot read lines. So as you know, read lines we are using. So read lines function it will read all the content from the file. It will store in the form of, yesterday we discussed.
List, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. List.
Form, sir.
Good. List. It will store in the form of list. Okay. Where it will store means in the contents. Okay. Now the content data type is list. It contains all the content, all the data which we stored in the file. Okay. Print content means it will print all the content. You can see the output. It will print in the form of list. Okay. Then we are about to print only the first line. Very simple. We know content is a list. Okay. So each line will be stored as a each element. For example, the file is contain 3 lines. Okay, first line is India from Varied Heritage, and second is I shall always strive to be worthy of it, and third line is I shall give respect. Okay, so 3 lines. 1 minute. The 3 lines the file is containing. Okay, so first line is content of 0. So 3 lines means the list will be 0, 1, 2. Index of the list is 0, 1, 2. What is the len of the list means 3. Okay, so the content of 0 means first line will be get printed. Okay, last line we don't know. For example, we know we open the file, we come to know it contains 3 lines. Suppose we don't know what is the last line means, very simple. Last line equal to what is the thing? Content len of content minus 1. Okay, for example, what is len of content? 3. 3 lines, no, that's what 3. Then minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. That is the last line. That will be a last line. Okay, because indexing is always lesser than the length. Okay, length is 3, but the index is 0, 1, 2 only. Do you got it? Do you understand this program? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me go to the next one. Counting the size of the file in bytes. For example, I already said each character is 1 byte. Okay, here you see we open the file and string str equal to my file dot read. We didn't pass any argument. This is an example for read function. Okay, so we didn't pass any argument. Then what the read function will do? Yesterday we discussed.
Read completely.
Yes, it will read completely, but in the form of what?
String, sir.
Very good. It will be stored in the form of string. So str, what is the data type of str is string. So str will store all the content from the file. Okay. Size we are calculating. Size equal to len of str. So finally we print the number of bytes. I already said even one space given also it is considered as 1 byte. Okay. So for example, if you are writing 120 characters means the file size is 120 bytes. Okay. Likewise, the file size we can easily calculate it. Okay, this concept is very much useful in upcoming. There's a binary file. We will use this concept to calculate the file size. Okay, this concept in upcoming chapters. I mean, next chapter is binary file. Now we are dealing only the text file. No, so next chapter is binary file. That time we will. This concept will be useful. How the read function will read in the form of string. Then how to calculate the size of the file. Okay, both the concept. This examples. This will be useful for you. Okay, let me go to the next one. Okay, and for example, this program is counting the number of line also. You can another see. We are opening the file, my file str equal to my file dot read lines. So all the line will be read, but in the form of list. Len of list means we will come to know how many lines are there. Now you learn how to calculate the length of the file, that is a file size, and second thing, how to calculate the number of lines present in the file. Can anyone answer how to calculate the number of lines present in the file without opening that? How will you calculate? Can you say? How will you calculate the number of lines which is stored in the file? Which this program, you can see the second program, the highlighting program. You can see read lines. We are reading all the lines and stored in the variable str. Okay. What is the str data type? It is a list. As you said, read lines will read all the data, but return in the form of list. Okay. Each line is one element. That's what we discussed yesterday also, and just now previous program also we have seen the same concept. Okay. So read line, it will read all the lines in the form of a list. Okay, then we are calculating the len of the content. Len of the variable means, or identifier means, we can easily get that because each line is one element. No, so number of elements are there means based on the number of lines are there. Okay, from that we can conclude it. So number of lines in the file is lines. Lines is a variable calculating the len of the string str, not string str. Have you understand? Have you understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have very strong doubt. In second session, many of the students are left in between. I don't know why. You can share it. Okay, if you are whatever rectification you need, you can tell to me. Okay, let me go to the next one. This is the questions. Today I will post the homework. You started to write it. Okay. First question I will explain to you. Write a program to read the content. Okay, students, you please understand why I am giving such type of homework means you can easily understand. Once you done this homework means you are familiar about the text file. Okay, it will help you to create in the project. It will help you how to create a project, how build your project, own project. Okay, or else you cannot create it. Program side, everyone want to be very strong. Okay, let you say that how to what is the solution for the first question? Write a program to read the content of the file and count how many times the letter A comes in the file. How will you calculate? Your file is there. I will explain. Your file is there. It contains some content. Okay. Your program want to count how many letter the A is occurred. For example, let you say, I'm a computer science teacher. How many A is there? 3 A's, I think so. I am. This A is there. I am. Yeah. Then computer science. There is no A. Teacher, one A is there. So 3 A's are there. Likewise, the file is maybe contain a number of lines. But how will you calculate? Can you say that? Can you tell the answer for the first question? Think it. Karnishkar, can you answer it?
Can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, the first question, you can see the slide, student. Write a program to read a content from the file and count. A program, it want to read the content from the file. That is the first concept. And second thing, it want to calculate number of A's. How many number of A is there? That is the A letter. A letter is there, no A. So how many times the A is occurred in the file or present in the file? The program want to find. How will you make it?
First, we will open the file, sir.
Very good.
Then we will put num is equal to 0.
Okay.
Then we will use a for loop, sir.
Okay, good.
Then for every str is equal to a, num is equal to num plus 1.
Good. How will you read the content? That's the question, main concept. You are almost near to the concept. Yeah, explain, man. Correct only. You're going in the right way.
Str is equal to a, sir. For read.
Yes. We should use for loop, definitely. That is correct. And next thing is
num is equal to number plus 1, num plus 1.
Correct, man.
Then
Now
last
is calculating number of times the A is occurred. That is correct. How will you check the whether? How will you check it? Whether how will you increment the num value to be increased?
So we can use while loop.
Okay.
While some variable equal to a, increment c is equal to c plus 1.
That is if condition only we should use. No. How will you use while loop? In starting, you can use while loop or for loop. Inside, if you want to check the character, you want to check each character, no? That is the concept, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kanishka, could you understand now?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
I think read function we can use. Sir.
Yes, correct. Proceed, man. Proceed. Yeah, we should use read function. Okay. So read function will read the number of character that want to store in here. It will return in the form of string, isn't it? Then using the while loop or for loop, we need to check each character. Okay. Then by using the if condition, we can check whether the given character is, what is the thing, equal to a or not. If it is equal to a means, as Kanishkar said, we have to set some variable. That variable will be iteratable. That is a num equal to num plus 1 or whatever thing, count equal to count plus 1, whatever variable. So finally we can print the variable. Then the variable stores the number of a is occurred or present in the file. Can you got it? We got the idea, pa? Others? Lavanya, what about you? You got it idea? Nitisha. Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, next week, shall we go to the next question? You can see the second question. Write a program to read the content of the file and display, very simple. Read the content of the file. We can read it by in read mode. Good. And display. What we need to display, let you see. I in place of E. For example, a file contains I means wherever the I is there, it want to replace. In the place of I, what character want to be replaced? E. Okay. While displaying the content of the file, all other characters should be as it is. For example, India is the file content, INDIA. Okay. Then the program want to read the file. Okay. So it can read as it is, but whenever it found I in the file, it want to replace with E. Okay. While it's printing the thing, ENDIA, it want to print like, sorry, ENDIE. Okay, because I want to replace with the E, no. Could you catch the second question concept? Do you understand the second question concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think others, what you people are doing, I don't know. Okay, can you say the answer? How you can check it? Ashwant, you can share your idea. Others also. Girls, I didn't get it. So, Sabeshan, what about you, man? Shivashanmugamadal, quiet. I don't know why he is. Sabeshan, you can also share your point. How will you do the second question? How will you do the second question? Very simple concept, no? Very easy. You can easily do it. We should use replace function. We have to read all the content from the file in by using read function. Same concept what we used in the first question. Okay, same concept we can open in the file in read mode, and we can store all the content in the form of, by using the read function, we can read all the content that will be stored in the where one variable. We can keep as a str1 or whatever variable we can store in the as a form of string we can store. Okay, then by using replace function we dealt. Can you recall it? In the second chapter also we discussed, as well as the fourth chapter also we discussed. String join, split, replace. Can you remember that thing? Fourth chapter we discussed very much deeply. And second chapter, one thing we have discussed, isn't it? Yeah, Darshan, Delvin, can you say that? Can you say Darshan? Okay. Then we can easily replace it by using the replace function. What is the replace function? We are storing all the character data in the one file. No, for example, one variable. No, suppose the variable is str, means str dot replace of I, we should give a I in single quote as it is given here, and E should be in the replaceable character. I comma E, both are should be enclosed within the quote, single quote or double quote. Then the file will be replaced, the entire string will be replaced. str1 is replaced. Okay, str1 equal to str1 dot replace of I comma E. Then the data will be stored again in the str1. While we are printing the str1, what will happen? All the characters, all the I will be replaced with E. So can you understand the concept, or am I running means you can say that? Is it understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you people are quiet? That's what I wondering about that. Okay. Let you see the next one. You can see, write a program to read the content of the file and display how many uppercase character and digits are present. Can you say which function is used to find the
Is
uppercase?
upper and is upper is digit.
Okay, is upper and is digit. Say, likewise, the same concept. We need to read the data.
Same
And
as first question, sir.
correct, very good. Instead of that, we are using the, as you said, is upper and is digit. We are using it. Fine. And fourth one, we already done in list. One of the homework we done it. But here it is a content from the file. Fourth question, you can see, write a program to read the content of the file and count how many vowels in it. A content will be there, how many vowels are present in the given file. Okay, already you done the program, you people done, given as a homework, solution also there. I think in the list we given it, as well as in if condition, by using the if condition we done the same program. Okay, but here how to do in the file, you know how to read the data from the file. Okay, so use it. Okay, fifth question, you can see it's a one mark question, you can easily answer
The
it.
fourth question, can you explain?
Very good. For example, we need to show, for example, we need to store all the vowels A, E, I, O, U in a list in our program. Okay. You know how to read a file. For example, we are reading the characters. We are storing all the data in the form of string by using the read function. Okay. By using for loop, we are checking the each character, whether it is, for example, the character is stored in str.
By using membership operators, sir.
Yes, I in list. For example, list contain vowels means I in list. Okay, if the I means each character. Okay, that the character is present in the list means vowel count, that it want to be iteratable. It want to be added.
Understood, sir.
One. Okay. Likewise, the loop will execute till the end of the content. Okay. Okay. Fifth question is very easy. Write a Python statement in write a statement in Python to open txt, that is open a text file news.txt, so that new content can be returned. What is the answer? Can you say?
Open new AHT comma W.
Comma, write more W. File object is very important, no?
A is equal to something.
Very good. A equal to open of file name, comma, mode. Mode should be in W. Okay, good. And next one, in read mode. What is the answer? Reshmita, can you answer it for the 5B? Can you answer it? Yes. Okay. I don't know what the people are doing. And third, in the second 5B is R. Okay. 5C is we should add the new content can be returned after the previous content. That means what? We should open the file in
R
append
plus
mode.
W, sir.
No. They are saying, you can see the fifth question part, 5C. Open a text.file so the new content can be written. R plus W if you open means the previous content will be
Understood,
erased.
sir.
Yeah,
Understood,
correct.
sir.
Good. So we should open in append mode. So what will happen? The previous content won't be erased. The new content also, you can see new content can be returned after the previous content. Append will open and pointer will be at the last line. Okay, the file pointer. Then it started to write. Good. Likewise, the sixth question, 7 questions are there. I will give us a homework. You people, all the people want to submit it. When you will submit? Can you say it? Let you tell the date. Today is Tuesday. When you will submit? don't have plan to submit it. 3 days shall I give the time? Already all the statements, all the functions are discussed. No, Ashwant, can you say it? Ashwant? Yeah, Harit, what about you? Okay, just you can submit on Friday. Okay, today is Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday you have exam, I think so. Or Friday you can submit it. Okay, I plan to say something to you. I forgot it. Initially, I want to say that coming Saturday you can write one test for chapter 3. Gautam, I am expecting Gautam. Okay, he said he have to conduct the test from the current chapter. That is good. After much discussion, I am just thinking of you, because so far we didn't conduct any test in chapter 3. Coming Saturday, can you write the test on chapter 3 online only? Okay, it will take just half an hour to 1 hour. It's based on the question. Okay, it will be easy. Maximum you can complete in 1 hour, 30 marks only online using Google form. Can we do it coming Saturday? Is it okay?
Sunday, sir.
When?
On Sunday.
Sunday I can conduct, but principal sir said that it will affect your Monday test. That's what I'm thinking. Because so
Okay, sir.
that's what, because Monday you have test, no, so that will you prepare seriously. Okay, Thursday you already completed one test, and that is okay. Then Thursday class we will discuss about the 3rd chapter. Okay, at last second session, and Friday you prepare it. Saturday afternoon let me conduct the test. Okay. Chapter 3 functions, because so far we conducted any test on the chapter. That's what. Okay. Okay, students, bye to all. See you.